12 this morning, and look at these cold temperatures across the state. 30s and 20s up to the north, where these were places that already had seen the front even yesterday morning. And now places like Laredo, Houston, we saw the front yesterday, and so we are joining them with the chilly temperatures, but not as cold as it is up to north. Worth noting how many places are below freezing or awfully close to the freezing point this morning. A very chilly Halloween for the state of Texas. Meanwhile, a lot of rain in the eastern half of the country. It's going to be a wet Halloween. It's not going to be a wet Halloween for us. There are a couple of sprinkles left over in Cameron-Wolsey County right now, but those are going to be coming to an end after 7 a.m. The story for us today is decreasing clouds and decreasing wind, but it's going to be a very gradual process. During the morning, it's going to be cloudy and it's going to be very windy. But as the afternoon in particular goes on, those winds are going to be coming down and the sun is going to be coming out. But because the morning hours are going to feature so much cloud cover, that's when we do the bulk of our warming usually. So that's why, even though we're in the low 50s, upper 40s, we're only going to average around 58 degrees this afternoon. And because it's going to be so windy, even in the early mid-afternoon, you're still going to be feeling those breezy conditions. In most places, it's only going to feel like the mid-50s this afternoon. So I think most of us are going to want a jacket throughout the day. It is looking remarkably chilly. Now, the wind advisory isn't going to last much longer. It's until 10 a.m. for Cameron and Wolsey County. It's already been canceled for Hidalgo County. I think we're done with the 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. That's what they issue these wind advisories for, because sometimes you get these 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and that can lead to power outages. We saw some last night, and there could still be some lingering power outages in Cameron-Wolsey County. Now, one place where the wind advisory is going to last a little bit longer, right along the coast. That's where it's going to continue until 1 o'clock this afternoon. But for most of Cameron and Wolsey County, with the exception of right along the coast, it's going to expire at 10 a.m. That'll be the worst of the winds will be behind us after 10 a.m. But it's going to, again, stay windy for much of the day. Now, once the sun sets, I think we're done with the breezy conditions. It's really not going to be that breezy after sunset, kind of just a light wind. So there's really no wind chill factor to talk about for tonight. But it's still going to be quite chilly. Around 7 o'clock, we'll be in the mid-50s, but then temperatures are going to keep dropping into the low 50s, the upper 40s. And then after midnight tonight, we're looking at temperatures in the mid-40s. But for peak trick-or-treating time, mid-50s to start, upper 40s by the time we get to 10, 11, 12 o'clock at night. Mostly clear skies, no rain to worry about, but you're not going to want a costume that doesn't have many layers to it. Those normally too hot costumes will actually work just fine tonight because you're going to need that extra layers. Notice it will ultimately cool down to 44 degrees. Tomorrow afternoon is going to be spectacular. Lots of sun, very low humidity, low 70s. You're going to enjoy the weather really through the weekend. Yes, there's a 10% chance of showers on Saturday in the morning, mainly near the coast, but most of us are going to stay dry. A little bit more cloud cover on Saturday. We'll just call it mostly sunny for Sunday. Notice it's not going to be as cold Saturday morning, Sunday morning, but certainly some chilly starts and 70s in the afternoon, but the 80s are coming back. Notice those overnight lows going up as well. The humidity will gradually be climbing. 10% chance of rain on Tuesday and a 30% chance of showers and storms on Wednesday. Guys, back to you.